So basically there's 12 different modes. Mode number 1 is going to be Tuina. It's very good for a hand massage, deep tissue massage. Number 2 will be acupuncture for the needles. Number 3 will be tapping. It's very good for spasms on the back. Number 4 will be Guasha. It's very commonly used for inflamed areas. Number 5 is called cupping. It's going to be with the suction cups. Number 6 is called Shiatus. Number 7, it's called pressure. Number 8, it's very good for back pain. Number 9 will be deep tissue massage. And number 10 will be bodybuilding. Mode number 11 will be weight loss. And mode number 12 will be combination, which will be a combination from 10, 11 and 12.